Kings and Queens, it's your girl Azra, and I am back with another video.
Drinks on him.
Kings and Queens, it's your girl Azra, and I am back with another video. Today, you guys, I'm going to come over to you with a hair video. I just want to tell you guys what products I use to basically create this look. I love how my hair is looking, and it's looking awesome. So let's just get right into this video. And like I always say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm using the Taylor Beauty brand. I just want to show you guys what I got. I ordered the Golden Herbal Collection. It sources premium medical powders, oils, and herbs across the globe. For centuries, medical herbs have been known to have significant health benefits for body and hair. Each product in our global herbal collection is designed to rejuvenate hair and promote beautiful, healthy, flourishing kinks and curls. No sulfates, no silicones, no mineral oils, no harmful ingredients, no parabens. Now I'm going to read the brand story. When Kaya James went natural, she documented her journey and natural recipes on YouTube. Her videos showcase how effective the products were for her and her daughter's hair. Today, this wife, mother, and CEO of Taylor Beauty continues to educate consumers on healthy hair care practices and is dedicated to create a luxury hair care products tailored to kinky, curly beauties worldwide. The thing I have is the coconut cream conditioner. It's with the mango butter. This coconut cream leaves hair soft, silky, and moisturized. Infuse with coconut oil, mango butter, and olive oil to give your hair the ultimate moisturizing treatment. We have the moisturizing coconut cream shampoo. It moisturizes and clarifies without leaving hair dry and brittle. Packed with coconut oil that increases hair growth and softens hair. Aloe vera juice helps moisturize and balance hair pH. Improves hair natural shine, leaves hair silky, shiny, and clean. And then I bought the Clay Detox shampoo bar. It's with Benetonic clay, shakakai powder, if I'm saying it correctly, and black seed oil. It clarifies and removes toxins and builds up and restores natural curls. I have the penetrating leave-in conditioner treatment. This is with Gota coil extracts and neem oil to support strong, healthy strands. Edge control, Jamaican black castor edge control, tames and slicks all hair types. It smells so good. I've also got hair vitamins from Taylor Beauty. I've been using hair vitamins from other companies, or I've been using hair vitamins that were not natural, vegan wise. They had a lot of gelatin in them. These are plant-based, and that's what I love about them. These are plant-based, and I take them with a meal. I have the moisture penetrating deep conditioner treatment, herbal blends of fungal Greek powder, and oils for ultra moisture. Fungal Greek, if I'm saying it right, don't kill me. Powder is a native herb to the Mediterranean. Its seeds are grown in a grainy powder to maintain its natural potency. It promotes shiny, strong, bouncy curls, nurtures the scalp, and retains moisture. Okay? So I got these products, and I was so excited to get them because I heard about them. I went to last year Rose Natural Hair Show in Atlanta, and they were there, and I purchased things from there, and then I also got a bonnet with my purchase. So I've been on this brand for a hot minute. So now that these are all the products that I got, I just want to show you how I got this amazing look. I'm going to do a wash day with you guys. So let's get into this wash day. I'm going to be using the shampoo bar, the conditioner, the deep treatment conditioner, and then I'm going to use the leave-in. I pre-pulled my hair beforehand to get all of the oils in, but all of these products have oils in it as well, and they do have an oil with this brand, but I didn't get the oil. Let's get into this wash and go. this amazing, awesome look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my wash day with Taylor Beauty. And like I always say, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Until next videos, I'm out, queens.
Drinks on 'em.